Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick but super useful tip, how to change the line chart to a candlestick chart in TradingView. If you've ever felt a bit lost staring at a plain line graph when you wanted those detailed candlesticks, by the end of this video, you'll be able to switch between them easily. This little trick can make all the difference when you're analyzing the markets, so let's jump right in and make your charts work for you. First things first, you'll want to head over to TradingView. So open up your browser and type in TradingView.com. Now if you already have an account, go ahead and sign in, but don't worry if you're just visiting, you can still follow along. Once the main page loads, you'll see there are quite a few options spread across the top. It can feel a bit overwhelming if you're new, but I promise, once you do this a couple of times, it'll become second nature. Now at the top of the page, you'll notice a menu labeled Products. Go ahead and give that a click. This just helps you access all the different tools and features TradingView offers, from charts to screeners and even social network features. We're here for the charts though, so make sure you're on the interactive chart view. If you're wondering why it's important to navigate through products, it's because TradingView bundles all its services here, so starting from the right place minimizes confusion and gets you right to the chart you're interested in changing. Alright, now that you're looking at your chart, by default, many charts will load with a simple line showing price changes over time. But for anyone serious about technical analysis, candlesticks offer so much more detail they almost feel like a different language. Candlesticks show you the open, close, high, and low for every time interval, while a line chart just shows the close price connected over time. It's the difference between seeing a few highlights of a game versus getting the full play-by-play. So look just above your chart area towards the top left, right beside the indicators button. This is a spot that's easy to miss if you don't know what to look for. You'll spot a little icon which might look like a jagged line, and that's exactly what we want. Go ahead and click on that. It's the chart type selector. Once you click on that icon, a small menu will pop up with different ways to display your chart data. You've got everything from classic lines to bars to the star of the show, candles. Go ahead and select candles. The moment you do, your chart will update instantly, and you'll see those neat little red and green candlesticks, each one telling a story about price movement, volatility, and market sentiment. And honestly, that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've gone from a basic view to a much more powerful visualization tool. Don't worry if you didn't get it the first time. Feel free to pause and rewind if you need to see exactly where to click. So there you have it. Switching your chart from a line to candlestick view in TradingView is quick, easy, and can seriously improve the way you interpret price action. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I read every single one. And of course, subscribe for more practical TradingView tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy trading.